SuoiHai Villa by APDI in Vietnam. Located on the outskirts of Suoi Hai Lake, also known as the Land of Beehive Rocks, the current construction site boasts an exceptional location, offering a panoramic view of the lake, followed by the majestic Tản Viên peak. There are no man-made structures within this picturesque landscape. It remains entirely untouched by human development. From a cultural perspective, the Tản Viên mountain range is considered sacred and is the origin of the famous Vietnamese legend of Sơn Tinh, Thủy Tinh, which has deeply ingrained itself in the Vietnamese psyche. The architect's aspirations revolve around two primary objectives. Firstly, to promote multidimensional human interaction with nature, inside, outside, above, below, before, after. Secondly, to judiciously utilize locally characteristic materials, as beehive rock is a finite and natural resource. Everything originates from the context, and the structure will appear as if it has emerged, blending seamlessly into the natural landscape. The house is oriented along the direction facing the lake to maximize the number of spaces with a view of the magnificent landscape. On the other hand, garden structures are also integrated, resembling fragments of smaller natural elements that flow into the building, blurring the lines between inside and outside. Large glass panels optimize the views from the inside, but climate solutions are meticulously calculated to ensure maximum energy efficiency for the structure. The building is designed as a single-story volume to harmonize with the landscape, preserving its natural beauty.